Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the usual suspects. Enable your TV's game mode and switch the HDMI input to any low latency setting. Once done, plug the controller into the Series X with a USB cable and keep it charged to avoid wireless jitter. Make sure the console has completed any system updates and close all running apps so resources focus on the game. These steps reduce software-related buffering and give you an immediate, measurable improvement. Next, adjust the output. Set Xbox to 120Hz and match the TV's native resolution. Higher refresh rates lower perceived delay. Swap to an HDMI 2.1 or certified high-speed cable to ensure full bandwidth for frame pacing. In the console settings, disable background captures and limit upload or network-heavy apps because background tasks add micro-latency. If performance mode exists for your game, enable it. Lowering some to finish, test responsiveness in a simple title or latency test tool and observe whether inputs register faster. If delay persists, swap in another controller or a different TV to isolate wireless, console, or display problems. That tells you where to focus next. Power cycle the console and TV, clear persistent cache by holding the power button, and only if necessary perform a factory reset. If nothing helps, note the symptoms and contact support. Sometimes faulty HDMI ports or controllers cause residual delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.